I've started to wash down the bottles. As you can see, they're all different. Every single crate is mixed up. Lots of glass. We're just going to have a look in these bottom ones in a minute. As you can see, they're all different. And I'm just going to open this box now. See what happens. Doesn't do good. See, that's broken there. Some broken bottles in there. Some of them are very dirty. Even down to the bottom ones, they're all mixed up. And on the choke there, again lots of broken bottles. Really, really sharp, very dangerous. All mixed up again. As you can see, even the tops are broken, so they all need to be destroyed. Very, very dangerous. So, not good. Without tops, all broken.